Hi, I'm Tom Bowling and I'm here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale, and I wanted to share with you this amazing collection. It's called the Olive Grove and it's here in the catalog, and it's just one of many different types of plants, not only as plant material but also as design components. So I wanted to share this olive with you, and we know right now how popular that farm to table look really is. Everywhere you go, people are doing that abundant kind of a feel where they're making runners all the way down and using very long tables instead of multiple round, not only for event work but for corporate work as well. So using the plant material, the olive plants, as you see, they come potted already, and I like the fact that they're weighted and it feels good when you pick it up and it's not precarious. But then it drops right down into a 4-inch container, so you can upsell that look and customize the look depending on what type of container that you actually drop it into. So I like to think of doing a long stretch of table with some high interest in it and some low to keep your eye flowing. And when you do something like that, yes, you can group things together, but you can also take the branches we see here and maybe bend that one back and incorporate several of those together. And that way then you have table low interest as well. So making a runner out of the pieces here, the sprays that you see, is a great way to do that. And the fact that they're already done, ready to go, think farm to table the next time you have one of those events.